Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can fix the site header and site footer disappeared issue for your websites and pages on Squarespace. So let us get started. So let me head over to that example page here on my website on Squarespace and click into edit to access the page editor. And if I scroll down or scroll through my page, guys, you will see that there are several sections. I may add another section, for example. Let me do that really quickly, like a blank section here. But unfortunately there's no footer nor any header either. And that might be, guys, because you might have hidden or disabled the site header and footer for your page entirely in general, accidentally, for example. So in the first step, make sure that you really have added your footer and the header to your page. If you're 100% convinced that you have done that, guys, you will need to access your page settings and unhide your site footer and header. To do that, click into that gear icon next to your page. After that, head over to navigation here on the left panel. And here, as you can see, the footer as well as the header have been hidden by me. Well, I did that for this example tutorial here, but you may enable or unhide them easily by toggling on this feature here, show header and show footer. After that, make sure that you save your changes. And if I now head over to the page editor, guys, you will see that the header and the footer are back again. So that's how you do it. That's how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.